Hi everyone, this is Meenal Vijay Pense and let's see what the month of October 2020 has in store for the sun sign Leo. For Leos, this month is going to be a month for a lot of introspection and lot of self-work, deep work and lot of retrospection and introspection in general. This is a month where you have to sometimes think about, are you stuck in certain patterns that are not good for you, that you know are not really that great? It could be any pattern. It could be a pattern of getting angry. It could be a pattern of, let's say, some kind of vices like smoking and drinking and alcohol, and you're just giving into it because you think you will not be able to come out of it. So the month of October 2020 wants you to think deeply and understand, realize and find out if there are such toxic patterns in your life that are not helping you, that are in fact putting you and your loved ones in more trouble or in pain or in, let's say, misery. So you will have to work. There is a lot of inner work that is happening for the Leos for the month of October 2020. Moving on to the workspace. This month for Leos, the work is going to be a little exhausting. Exhausting because all of a sudden you will have a lot of work or assignments that could be given to you, that which is not expected for you by you. So what will happen is you will have a lot of load at work, and finishing it off before time and seeing to it that there is no kind of a fault in it is going to take in a lot of your energy. So in order to get through the situation very smoothly, what you could do is, usually the Leos are very helpful people, but particularly for this month, you will have to see to it that you will not take any extra burden of or load of work just to help someone unless and until you're absolutely sure that your deadlines are met in before. That is crucially important. Otherwise, what will happen is, you might want to really help someone and will take their burden of work or, let's say, their project, and then your project or your work or deadline could actually be suffering. So you will have to guard yourself against taking any other extra load of work unless and until you don't finish your things first. And yes, this is going to be a lot of stressful month at work, especially when it comes to your physical energy. You might feel very exhausted. There is a chance and a possibility that you will be spending long hours at work. You might actually want to throw up everything and just go home and go to sleep, but that is not going to be possible. So this month at your workspace is, yes, physically exhausting indeed. So take care and see to it that you're mentally prepared for it. Moving on to finances. Finances for the Leos for October 2020 are absolutely excellent, and because you're going to be very busy at work, there is a less chance that you might be able to spend that kind of quality time usually the way you spend with them. So there is a possibility that in order to make up for that loss, you might actually pamper your loved ones and shower them with nice gifts or something just to compensate or make up for that loss of time. But financially, overall, it's a very beautiful and a very smooth going month. When it comes to relationships, however, you will have to really look into the relationship area, particularly for the month of October 2020. Now, this is where I was talking about, you have to think about a lot of toxic patterns within you. So sometimes you might not be realizing, but then you might actually dominate or become too aggressive with your loved ones or your family members without actually realizing it. So in order to sort out with this pattern and establish a very smooth flowing relationship with your loved ones for the month of October 2020, what you could do is actually sit down with them and actually ask them to be very open with you about any changes that they might actually like, in order for them, not you, but for them to feel positive with you. you could actually work hard on your relationships this month, because the cards say that many a times you simply do not realize that in a fit of impulsiveness or anger or being too strict with them, you actually land up shooing them more away than bringing them closer to you. This is something that you will have to be very, very careful about. Moving towards the health section, there is a possibility that the physical exhaustion at your place of work and also dealing with your own inner self and the relationship work might take a toll on your health. So you might get very physically exhausted, but more than anything else, there is a very high chance that your eating timetables could go for a toss. For this month, particularly in October 2020, if possible, literally set an alarm and eat your breakfast, your lunch, your dinner, and all your meals absolutely on time. Failing which, there is a possibility that you might have severe acidity issues, which could really, for the entire month, that could really be very troublesome. So see to it that you have your meals on time. See to it that you're very particular about your water intake and that you don't go very much hungry for a very long gap, because for this particular month, acidity and heartburn is something that is seen for the Leos 2020. So take care of all these patterns, and I'm sure you will be having a very beautiful and a very blessed month ahead.